The Mochudi Center Chiefs Club embraced the newly formed organization Pay Your Stars, which aims at helping football clubs with funds to pay their players. The chairman of Magosi, as popularly known, Thapelo Tseole, says PYS will revive the club and will help it run independently. He said this recently when launching Mochudi Center Chiefs and PYS's partnership at Mochudi.
Mme re bone gore ba PYS ke bone batho ba ileng gore re ka ikopanya le bone go leka go tsholetsa setlhopha sa Mochudi Center Chiefs. Mme ke re ba ga itse ke re gompieno re tlile go ipela ke sengwe se ileng gore re le komiti re se tsentse leitlho le leng tšotšo go bona gore ke se ka re solegelang molemo mme re dumela e le sengwe se ileng gore se tlile gore solegela molemo ebile gape se tla go tlisa maduo a botoka mo setlhopheng sa rona sa Sunday Chiefs go ipelega.
The communications manager for PYS, Mr. Karabo Musimane Gape, says the prime goal of the PYS is to help clubs with finance as it is the most challenging factor in football fraternity.
Pay Your Stars is basically an initiative for raising, for financial management and raising contribution for football teams. Yes. Basically, the basic motivation was the realization that our football in Botswana has been declining. The status of our football, the contributions of the fans into the football, the contributions of the potential sponsors, the corporates have actually declined. And we are at a point, we are at the crossroads as the people of Botswana and the football fans and the stakeholders of the game of football in Botswana. We are at a crossroads whereby we might find ourselves at a point whereby our football is thrown into insignificance and oblivion. Therefore, we realize that we started to ask ourselves, what is that problem that has caused our football status to decline so much? And then we found that one of the leading causes of the decline of the football in Botswana is the finance, the lack of finance. So Pay Your Stars was then put together in order to try and mitigate or solve the lack of finance that is prevalent in our football teams and sports in general.
The chairman for PYS, Mr. Utositse Malabola, explains how the initiative works.
You go into your phone, you put logo and star 174 hash, events Pay Your Stars, what there is a Pay Your Stars events Mochudi Center Chiefs, Kiona Tibia Yanda, what there is a Mochudi Center Chiefs. More star 174, Hana Horeka merchandise, or Hana Huela membership, or Hana Ho subscribe. And then Hona link low. House at the Star 174, there is a link here. What's an ammo linking it up in Sapio Stars, Ukwala Baina, Hokabotalo, Ukwala Hori, my DK membership, Utsenya, my Dikotas, who were pay. If we saw page in young Hela, Ukwala, Hela Haurian, and Tabe to be so down some less, some cell phone or Tisebukai, Lornaku, computer as a Rara or Tisebukai. The report is also somebody, right, Zari, Nerabu, or Tini Lebuka.
So our mandate being to assist teams and players in their financial aid, what we're trying to do going forward is to make sure that now we gap in all those potential sponsors, and then as gapping those potential sponsors in, we start on agreements with them on how they can offer these teams what we're approaching going forward. We want to have certain things like discounts at maybe different hotels for the players, for as well as the fans and the stakeholders. They have the card membership before those different teams. We want to have insurance initiatives for the players and the teams as well. We also want to have certain incentives they would, help those supporters to be able to come on board and assist in this financing, like the EPL partnership that we've already gained, that will put in a raffle system and assist put in a raffle assistance, that we will draw up a couple of different names that are very, very consistent with their donations, and then they'll be able to go and watch these games overseas.
Note, Mochudi Center Chiefs captain says they have been living in devastating football conditions, hence PYS will rescue them as players.
re sokola blind. As you know, bolo a gonana ke tiro bra wa ka. You can just play go sena go mo le tsona le pele le tselse ena. At the end of the day tshwantsho re reng re tshwantsho tshela as players we see so re lebogela thata go re thusitse go tla change dilo di le malwanyana.
We are so happy mo so re le bantsi kana ya la ka bona mo ka go la mo Tswana Chiefs le Gunners le Rollers ke tsona tsa di fan and this company ha ka tsara re le ba latedi be ya la matintsi a tsana ka sepe. We are more happy as a supporters.